Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Instagram and making sure the app has camera and photos access. Otherwise, you can't import images. Once done, tap the plus button at the bottom and decide. Take a new photo or pic from your library. You can select one image or up to 10 for a carousel. Choose orientation and crop to the desired ratio, for example 1:1 for a clean square. Make small framing adjustments now, because edits later are easier when composition is right. Next, you refine the image. You apply a filter for mood, then use edit tools, brightness, contrast, structure, and sharpen to balance exposure and detail. These changes explain how the image reads to viewers. Once satisfied, tap Tag People and add location to increase discoverability, and write a clear caption with relevant hashtags and mentions. Make sure to set alt text for accessibility. If you're not ready, use Save Draft. This ensures your work stays intact until you post. Finally, pick where to share, feed, reel, or story, and decide your audience, public, followers, or close friends. Then toggle comment permissions and cross-post to Facebook if linked. Once you hit share, Instagram uploads and processes. Make sure you wait until the progress completes so metadata and tags stick. If the post fails, first update the app and restart the device. Then check network, storage permissions, and Instagram's access to photos. If problems persist, clear cache or reinstall the app to resolve corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.